Are you going to EK 2024? Here is everything you need to know if you're joining a game in Cologne, in the RheinEnergieStadion. Nestled in the western part of Köln, the RheinEnergieStadion stands as a beacon of sports and entertainment. Originally opened in 1923, the home of FC Köln has seen numerous transformations, with its latest renovation completed in 2004, boosting its capacity to 50,000 spectators. Known for hosting not only exhilarating football matches, but also grand concerts and events, the stadium is easily accessible via tram, bus, and train, making it a central hub for fans and visitors alike. Let's now discuss the easiest ways of transportation to the RheinEnergieStadion. By tram, the stadium is served by Tram Line 1, which stops at the station RheinEnergieStadion. By bus, several bus lines stop near the stadium, including lines 141 and 143. By train, the nearest train station is Mungersdorf Technology Park, about a 20-minute walk to the stadium. By car, there are parking facilities available, but it is recommended to use public transport on match days to avoid traffic. Want to watch other games of the Euro 2024 in Cologne? Here are some pubs or cafes to watch other Euro 2024 games. Gaffel am Dom, close to the cathedral, offering local Kölsch beer and a great atmosphere for watching sports. The Corkonian, an Irish pub in the Old Town, known for its lively vibe and sports broadcasts. Stiefel, a rustic bar in the Old Town with large screens for sports events. Jameson Distillery Pub, an Irish-themed bar with a friendly atmosphere and multiple screens. Joe Champs, an American sports bar chain with a branch in Köln, great for watching games. And while you're in Köln, don't miss the top 10 things to do. Cologne Cathedral, Kölner Dom, one of the tallest cathedrals in the world. Old Town, Altstadt, charming with its narrow cobblestone streets, old churches, and historic buildings. Hohenzollern Bridge, famous for its lovelocks and great views of the cathedral. Museum Ludwig, home to a major collection of modern art, including works by Picasso. Kunzu, one of the oldest and best zoological gardens in Germany. Rhine River Cruise offers beautiful views of the city and its landmarks. Chocolate Museum, Schokoladen Museum. Learn about the history of chocolate and see it being made. Römisch-Germanisches Museum exhibits artifacts from the Roman settlement of Colonia Claudia Ara Agrippinensium. Köln Triangle, a skyscraper with an observation deck offering panoramic views of Köln. Belgian Quarter, Belgisches Viertel, a trendy neighborhood with great shops, restaurants, and bars. Let's discuss some accommodation possibilities. Köln offers a wide range of accommodations to suit every budget and preference. Excelsior Hotel Ernst, a luxury hotel located near the Cologne Cathedral. Savoy Hotel, known for its stylish decor and central location. 25 Hours Hotel The Circle, a modern and quirky hotel with great views and amenities. Radisson Blu Hotel, located near the Messe Deutz area, ideal for business and leisure travelers. NH Collection Cologne Media Park offers comfortable rooms and is situated in a vibrant part of the city. Last but not least, let's discuss Köln's nightlife scene. Here are 5 nightclubs you must consider exploring. Bootshaus, one of the top nightclubs in Germany, known for its electronic music events. Odonian, a unique open-air club and art space with eclectic music and events. Rheinecke Fuchs, a popular club with a variety of music genres located in the Belgian Quarter. Gewölbe, a club known for its underground electronic music scene. Club Bahnhof Ehrenfeld, CBE, a cultural and nightlife hotspot in the Ehrenfeld district. Now you're well prepared for your trip to Cologne to visit Euro 2024. Enjoy, and hopefully your country wins.